Hello Ivan, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, presenting a personal video for you for the 2010 Lexus IS 250, 156 862 kilometers, and the price is 11,188. This vehicle is available at this time. If you wanna come take a look, please let me know. Interior, you have a great interior, very clean. All the seats, leather, and they have the modes in the steering wheel, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, sunroof, good space. Fully safety certified this vehicle. If you want me to secure it, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to help you. Thank you for contacting us.